मोरा गोरा अंग लैलै मोहे शाम रंग दे दे छुप जाऊंगी रात ही में मोहे पी का संग दे दे मोरा गोरा अंग लैलै मोहे शाम रंग दे दे छुप जाऊंगी रात ही में मोहे पी का संग दे दे. Hey guys, hello and welcome to the new episode of Treat Season 2 by Archie Radha just for you. Guys, why I sang this song, one of the most favorite song and one of my most favorite, the most poetic lyricist, गुलजार साहब जी. इनका पहला सुपर डुपर हिट गाना. इसमें in this song she has prayed for black colors so that she can merge in the darkness to meet her beloved. So beautiful concept, so beautiful concept. And why I took this, because we give unnecessary importance to color, caste, creed, how she looks, how he looks, how that person is nata, pidda, height, wala. There is so many things we attach with that person's personality to define that personality. I think this is totally wrong, and I'm against all this racism and all these things, because it is not natural thing. Each and everyone is unique, and today we are going to discuss the uniqueness of this episode, what the human body is. Actually, what is human body? It is a wrapped structure in skin with extension of hand, legs, head. Nothing different from any other human being. All internal organs, all systems, all are intact and same in all the people. So don't categorize people on color, how they look. Each and everyone is unique. What the body is? ये मैं बोलती हूँ हिंदी में, ये पोटली है एक स्किन में बांधी हुई. इसके अंदर डायफ्राम के ऊपर कुछ पोटलियां है, डायफ्राम के नीचे कुछ पोटलियां है, बस. और ये सारी पोटलियां इंटरलिंक्ड है. देखो, आपने कभी प्रोक्रिएशन की या जन्म लेने की, दैट इज हाउ यू ऑब्जर्व द प्रोसेस. एनीथिंग मिराकुलस देन दैट कुड हैपन. सी, a sperm and ovum combines and they unite in one cell, zygote, and from that one cell, the development of that adulthood. Isn't it miraculous? What is happening inside us? Isn't it miraculous? हम नहीं डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए इस लाइफ को हम परमात्मा बोले, whatever we say, because it is miraculous. It is miracle for us, being so much progress in science and all that. Even we couldn't form a drop of blood. We have constructed, we have manufactured all the armaments for the bloodshed, for the heavy blasts and all that things, but science couldn't even provide a synthetic blood even for a human body. See the importance what Creator has made within ourselves. We must feel proud for our body, for our systems. We must, each and everybody should feel proud for that. We must feel for each and we feel with gratitude for what the mechanism, what He has provided us. A single retina, that slight lens type, what we see as a thin layer, even we can't. We have to wait
to someone die to fix that person's retina to a live person to give him the vision. So we must be very grateful to God. What I will say God because मैं भगवान को मानती हूँ जो आप सभी के अंदर है. It is all around, throbbing around inside us, and we must feel gratitude for that. Never forget people for their colors, how they look. No, each and everyone is unique. So feel proud about your body first of all and take good care of your body. That is my humble request to all of you. Last episode I described our body is made up of 5 elements. But in study of acupressure, we saw a new dimension revealed by Dr. J.P. Agarwal sir. उन्होंने दशमूल सिद्धांत बताया है. 5 physical elements and 5 metaphysical elements, how they are important and what are they. I will discuss each and every metaphysical element and each and every episode now further on. But now today I am describing the first 5 physical elements: Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. ये 5 तत्व है जिनसे ह्यूमन बॉडी बनी है. बट इसके अलावा अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम 5 मेटाफिजिकल एलिमेंट्स. दे आर टाइम, डायरेक्शन, माइंड. माइंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट and how it is created element and how it can master us and we can be slave of mind. We will see in that episode. Then 4th metaphysical element is light, the vital force, we can see Atma, Prakash, we can say, and darkness. Yes, darkness is very important because all the sprouting, all the blossoming, all the rest for rejuvenation of further things, it is created from that darkness. That's why darkness is important. That's why I sung this song, Mera gora ang lai lai mohi sham rang dai dai. So guys, in next episodes, one by one we will discuss. When we were studying acupressure, गंगा जी के किनारे पे, गंगा जी के ब्रिज पे lights, there are lights, there is a darkness, means we can say magic hour. गंगा जी के तट पर कुछ चिताएं जल रही होती. That was we have experienced. And यहाँ पे under the tree, J.P. Agarwal sir explains the acupressure and Dashamula Siddhanta. Life and death goes hand in hand, and that is the only reality of life. We must accept this reality. Life is so beautiful, so precious, so be grateful for this life. And mind की confusions मत करिएगा, क्योंकि क्या होता है,
एक लाज रोकी पैया, एक मोह खींच भैया, एक लाज रोकी पैया, एक मोह खींच भैया, जाओ किधर न जानो, हमका कोई बताई दे.
But I have to leave because time is up. See you next week and keep watching Treat for very authentic information and subscribe it and press the bell icon. See you next week. This is the greatest gift from Arshi Radha just for you. Take care. Bye bye for now. Love you all.